Hello Year 5, we are back with another maths video this week, and this week we are doing dividing, and we're going to start off nice and easy today, dividing 2-digit numbers by a 1-digit number, and we're going to use the bus stop method to do this. So on my sheet I've got 26 divided by 2. To set out my bus stop method I need to write 26 just like this, and then make my bus stop, and then put my 2 on the outside because that is what we are dividing it by. Now, I'm going to use place value counters to help me today. So first, I'm going to build my number using my place value counter. So how many 10s do I need for 26? That's right, I need 2 or 20 for that digit there. And then I need to make my 1s. And how many 1s does 26 have? It has 6, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, just like that. And when we're using the bus stop method, we are thinking about how many groups of 2 or lots of 2 go into the digits under here. So first we're going to do our 10s, so we need to think of that as 20. So how many groups of 2 can I make out of 20? So I need to have 2 in a group, and look, I can only make one group of 2. So I can put my 1 up there like that. Does that make sense? Next, I'm going to do my 1s, and I've got 6 1s. Again, I need to see how many groups or lots of 2 go into 6. So I'm going to make a group of 2 there, a group of 2 there, and a group of 2 there. So how many groups of 2 have I made out of my 6? And the answer is 3. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to write my 3 up there like that. So the answer to 26 divided by 2 is 13. Just like that. Right, we're going to do another example together. This time we're going to do 34 divided by 2. So we're dividing by the same digit for this question. So I'm going to set out my bus stop with my 34 and then my 2 on the outside because that's what we are dividing by. Now, I'm going to use my place value counters again. So how many 10s do I need this time? Right, it is 3 for 30. Just like that, my 3 10s. How many 1s do I need? It is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like that. Right, going to do my 10s first. How many groups of 2 can I make from 3 or 30? So I'm going to put 2 there like that. But I can't do it equally because I've only got 1 left over. So I can't make another group of 2. So hold on to this 10. We're going to deal with that one in a minute. So I can say that I can get 1 group of 2 10s out of 30. So I'm going to put 1 up there. But I've got this 10 here, and I need to carry that over onto my 4. 10 add 4, that is going to give us 14. So I jot my 10 like that, and it becomes 14. I can get rid of my 10s now because I've done those. I'm going to exchange this 10 counter for 10 1s. I'm going to put that in there, and I need 10 1s. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. My 10 1s. Now this should leave me with 14. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. I've got my 14 1s. What do I need to do now? I need to see how many groups of 2 I can make from 14. So I've got 1 group there, 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 and 1 group there. How many groups of 2 have I made from my 14? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And so I'm going to put just up here. And you can check your working out up here using your division and multiplication facts. So we know that 2 times 7 is 14. So we know we are correct. So the answer to 34 divided by 2 is 17. And we write it just so. One more. And this time we are going to do 78 divided by 3 this time. So we're dividing by a different digit this time, but same rules apply. So I'm going to set out my bus stop method. 78, my 3 on the outside because that's what I'm dividing by. And I'm going to build my number. Oh, so how many 10s do I need for 78? That's right, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And how many 1s do I need? That is correct, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So there is my number, 78. Right, I need to see how many groups of 3 I can get into 7 or 70. So I'm going to put my 3 10s there. So that's one group of 3. Oh, I can get another group of 3 10s. But I've got one left over. Can I split 70 into groups of 3 equally? And the answer is no. So I count how many groups I can make equally, and the answer is 2. I'll write my 2 up here. Move my 10s out of the way because I've done. Now, what do I do with this 10 that was left over? I carry it onto my 8s, and that becomes, what does it become when we've carried the 10 over? It actually becomes 18. I need to exchange my 10 for 10 1s. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That one tried to escape. Oh, another one. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now my 10 1s that I exchanged. That means I should have here in front of me 18 1s. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Good, I've got 18 1s here. How many do I need to put in each group? Good, I need to find how many groups or lots of 3 go into 18. So I'm going to make a group of 3 up here, another group of 3, another group of 3, another group of 3, another group of 3, and another group of 3. How many groups or lots of 3 fit into 18? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I put my 6 up here. And so the answer, 78 divided by 3 is 26. Right, I'm going to do one more example, but this time I'm not going to use my place value counters. You're going to see if you can follow along. So the last question I'm going to do is 70 divided by 5. And I'm going to set out my bus stop. 70, I'm dividing by 5, so that needs to go over there. Can we all see my last question down here? So I need to think, how many lots of 5 go into that 70? And I know I can get 1, but that is it, because I don't have enough to get 10, because 2 lots of 5 would be 10, and I've only got 7 or 70. So I can put my 1 up here. How many is left over if I take 1 lot of 5 away from my 7? That would leave me with 2. So I need to carry the 2, the 20, onto my 0, and that becomes what value? 20 in there. Good. So how many lots of 5 go into 20? And we can use our multiplication and division facts to tell us that 4 lots of 5 go into 20. So the answer, 70 divided by 5, is 14. And that is the bus stop method, dividing 2-digit numbers by 1 digit. Have a go at your starter question today, looking at the families of division and multiplication facts that we know, and then complete the worksheet using this method. Best of luck.